Hello guys, in today's video I am going to show you how to extend our display on MacBook in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do guys, let's say you're doing some, presentation and you wanted to connect or extend your display to a smart TV or whatever guys. So in order to do that guys, we need to go to our settings, okay? Or the other options here is you click this, Apple icon and go to your system settings, okay? So, and after that, guys, you need as you will in this sidebar, you will see here the display. Go to that one, this one, and of course, you will see here if your MacBook is connected with an HDMI. Of course, you'll be needing an HDMI guys to connect your MacBook to a monitor or to a smart TV. But of course, the other way to do that, guys, you can click here, guys, and click this screen mirror, okay? So you can actually extend your MacBook to your smart TV using your smart TV is connected to your Wi-Fi and your MacBook is connected with the same Wi-Fi. So that's it, guys. So that's how we're going to connect or extend your display on MacBook. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on MacBook. Thank you.